Anyway, pangalawa po, nakita ko po yung listahan ng invited resource persons. Hindi po ba man natin inimbitahan si Mayor Benji Magalong?
Not for this hearing, Your Honor.
Pero iimbitahan po ba siya sa susunod na pagdinig?
At the future hearing.
Hindi, sa next hearing?
We have to discuss it.
Because nandito po kanina si Bante, siya po yung nagsabi na wag naman akusahan yung house at pangalanan kung sino yung tinutukoy. At pumayag naman po si Mayor Magalong na tukuyin pag siya ay inimbitahan ng house kung sino yung tinutukoy niya na pinakamalaki ang nakukuha na 20%. So ang tanong ko po, bakit pa po hindi imbitahan kaagad ng committee para malaman na po natin kung sino yung tinutukoy niya, Mr. Chair?
I think we have a commitment that we will invite him. But the commitment is not on the next hearing. Kasi marami po tayong pag-usapan.
Nandiyan po, si Congressman Abante, nadinig ko po yung interview nyo, sabi nyo po, dapat pangalanan po ni Mayor Magalong. So ayaw nyo bang mag-present ng motion na imbitahan na siya kaagad para pangalanan na rin po niya? At sinabi naman po niya na willing naman po siyang imbitahan.
Yes, I would even suggest to Congressman Ridon, who is the chairman of the Committee on Public Accounts and the chairman of the TRICOM Committee, to extend the invitation to Mayor Magalong, and we would like Mayor Magalong to be there and name names and give evidences and take.
Ay, ilang beses ko na sinabi nga na I will appear.
Pero hindi ka tinatawag?
Wala akong natatanggap.
Hanggang ngayon?
Yes, wala akong natatanggap.
No problem in making a motion, but as you made a promise to me, Mr. Chair, that one day Mayor Magalong will be invited, why don't we just finish the hearing right now? We still have a lot of contractors that are waiting to be investigated, to be interpolated. So why don't we wait? Why don't we finish this first before anything else? Bakit natin ginugulo itong hearing na ito samantalang marami naman naghihintay dyan ng mga contractors na very much willing to be interpolated?
Right. Thank you for your response. Congressman Chanco, please.
No further questions.
Thank you, Congressman Chanco. Next to interpolate is Chairman Joel Chua. You may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. My question will be